Hello, bonjour and welcome to your new Bonheur Private Wines video. Today is going to be a very simple tip on how to pour your wine a little bit better, almost like a wine professional, more importantly without it dripping all over the table and without it dripping or spilling and marking your front label. This is how sommeliers in restaurants do serve you wine and how professionals almost serve wine. I'm not a sommelier, I used to be a winemaker, so I'm not an entirely I'm not a wine serving professional, but I've served my fair share of wine over the years to myself and other people, of course, as well. So the theory is that if you hold your bottle of wine just this way, first off, as a sommelier, you can present the label to your guests so the label stays visible. While you pour, first thing, you want to be quite confident and go for it. The more you're going to hesitate as the wine is going to come out of the bottle, the more it is likely to spill. So go for it, quite frankly, be determined about it is what I mean. And then you're going to twist the bottle as you stop pouring. Let me demonstrate. So be frank and honest about it. Serve, serve, serve. While you stop, you turn your bottle, and the theory is, and you can actually see it here, the drop is going to spill on the back label, not on the front label. Has it gotten there yet? Hopefully you can see it. Yes, the drop is right here on the back label. Here it is. Now you can probably see it really well. On the back label, not on the front label. Another alternative is to pour your wine, and when you stop, grab a little cloth and you just, get your drop before it actually spills. And that's how professionals do it. Just spinning the bottle a little bit, and that's pretty much all there is to it. A better advice, a better tip is to actually use one of those. This is called a drop stop, and yes, the name says it itself. No need to explain anything. You can find those at any wine shop. I mean, they're very, very common. They use them at wine events, anywhere. Wine professionals at wine tasting rooms in wineries, you would have seen those. What this does is just, it's not magic, but it looks like really magic. You pour your glass of wine, it's very elegant, and when you stop, no drop is spilled anywhere. It's very, very clean, extremely easy to use. You've seen me fold it to start with. You just fold it that way, introduce it inside your bottle of wine, and you're ready to go. So this is really a good one to have on hand. Your guests will be impressed a little bit, and it'll make your life a lot easier as well. As you've seen, I'm not a master at pouring wine and this twisting thing. It's a good thing to know when you're pouring, and you can practice and practice and practice to get it better. Otherwise, just use a drop stop. That was it for me today. Thanks for watching for today, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Enjoy. Cheers.